For 3 whole days, the Clark International Speedway was a beehive of activity as Toyota Motor Philippines hosted the first ever Toyota Gazoo Racing Festival. Over 180 team members from Toyota's dealer network as well as invited members of media underwent hands-on training from Toyota Gazoo Racing Academy race car champions. Track activities included braking exercises, time slaloms, quarter-mile time laps, follow the leader drills. According to TMP President Atsuhiro Okamoto, the Gazoo Racing Festival is fueled by a shared love for cars, passion for the thrill, and joy of driving, as well as the goal to promote motorsports in the country. Cosco Oben of Toyota Batintawak says the first-hand experience of driving GR models at track will make it easier to communicate their fun-to-drive character to clients. Okamoto revealed plans to stage similar activities that will be open to the public. During the festival, Toyota also previewed the latest addition to TMP's growing GR car lineup, the all-new Toyota GR86, which is now available for pre-order at GR Performance dealerships.